Hey everyone, how are we all doing? We're back here. We've got another lovely sunny day. We've got the brickwork up. We got the steel beams are in. So, what's next on the list? Well, this episode we are looking at putting all the first floor joists in. We just had delivery of all the timber. Plenty of it here. Some 3.6 lengths and some 4.2 lengths. 200mm deep. C24. So all of that needs to go in there. So first things first, we're going to hump that all in, and then we're going to start setting up some plates to put it all on, and we're going to get it all up there, get the first floor joist put in. So let's make a start. Right, that's all that timber humped in here. We've got the what lengths? We've got the short lengths here, 3.6 and 4.2 over here. Now from here, what we've got to do is you've got to put a plate on round all the walls so the timber can sit on that, so you can screw it in, nail it in, and then it's nice solid fix there. So what I've done is I've already gone ahead and done that, and I've also cut a few timbers down just to show you what we're going to be doing. So I'll flip you around and show you what we're up to. Right, when I talk about a plate, what is a plate? A plate is that bit of timber that runs all the way around the wall. It sits on the inside blockwork, so all the weight is going to be sitting on this inside blockwork, and essentially the outside brickwork that you can see there is just for look, and for it backs up this, so you've got a bit of strength to it as well. We've got some timbers cut to the right length along here. Oh, by the way, this timber here is that stuff over there. It's 100mm wide and 50mm deep, 4x2s, 50mm by 100mm across there. Let's get rid of this. And also from behind me here, you can see that I've put timber in the web of this steel. This is called the web. This bit here is the web, and I'll put that in so that this timber you can see behind me running across, I've notched it out so that it half sits on the top and half sits on the bottom. This timber is in here, so with this you can connect it together with something that's called a jiffy hanger or a joist hanger, and it looks something like this. Once it's all bent round, you've got the arms that are bent over the top, and then every single one of these holes you just put a screw it in, and then it holds that that tight to the bottom, and obviously the top sits on the top, so you've got plenty of strength in there that holds it all in nice. But you put these in anyway to give it another anchor point, so it definitely ain't going to go anywhere whatsoever. To get these through, you see these little holes here. You've got one there, one here, one over there. When I ordered the beam, I asked specifically to have the holes put in. It's 600 centres. The plate is in up to here, so all the way back. We're going to start filling in, bringing these joists all the way through up to here. And then once we get to this point, we'll just bed on a bit more plate going all the way around, and just keep going around like that. We'll start in this section here, the living area, dining area, and all that. Have that one through, and then we'll probably jump into the kitchen area, go through that way, do utility room from here, and then come back this way. I'll quickly show you the plans, what it looks like. So we are currently starting. This is the back door. We're currently starting going all the way through here. As you can see, these are double joists because there's a stud work above it and the room above it, so it needs extra strength in there. These are doubles as well because we've got the part of the dormer sitting on there. This here is where the staircase is going to be, so you've got what are called trimmers that basically trim down bits of timber. they're doubles going that way, and this is doubles going this way. There's doubles going through here, double noggins. Okay, a noggin is a little bit of timber in between the two main joists that stop it from moving. So once you put a row of noggins all the way through the middle, the whole thing is just solid and it will not move. So as I said, without further ado, let's get some timbers up there. Nice, nice. Right, there we go, we got a load up there. Man, it's really hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We've got 7 up here already. So with all these ones here, let's start setting them out, getting them in the right places, and start tacking them in. I'm not going to fully nail or screw them in at the moment. I'm just putting one screw in each end, just till I get all the way through right to the end, because you don't want to bang them all in and then decide, oh, one's a little bit out, so you got to pull them out again. So I'll just put one screw in each one, and yeah, get them spaced out nicely and see how we go. Right, let's jump straight on that then, eh? Right, I've got one in there. Well, these two, first double put in there. I'm gonna chuck all these in. I'll do the whole lot, and I'll come back to you when it's done, because it's taking a little bit of time. Keep jumping down, setting up the camera, so I'll chuck it all in and I'll come back to you in a few minutes. Once I'll take it all the way through, all these beams I've got, I'll take it all the way through and show you what it looks like. And then yeah, bloody hell, you have to excuse me, it's so hot today. Well, it's been hot for about a month now, but anyway, right, I digress. I'll get back to you in a minute. Hi guys, back again. As you can see behind me, we've got all the joists in here. As I said, finished this section. Went a little bit overboard and I've done the whole thing. So we've got all the timbers in through here. These are the noggins, and all that's just a board up there that I was using to walk along. That's not part of the structure. We've got all the noggins all the way through here, notched into the steel. I didn't end up having to use joist hangers up here. The building inspector said that block of timber all the way through like that and bolted, nailed on is perfectly fine. We've got a little section here that I did use them on. As you can see, this timber I put in the web has been bolted on. I put a little notch under there to hold that noggin up. As you bolted on, all of the double timbers all the way through, they have all been bolted together. All of them have got bolts on. Let me just show you the bolts quickly. Here we go, M10 bolts, which is the thickness of them, and they're 130mm long. You have to have the washer on the end, otherwise the nut, when you tighten it up, is just going to go into the timber and not pull it together. But you can see it there. So the idea is that this side gets pulled in, and you have a little square on the back there, and that holds it so it doesn't twist while you're trying to tighten the nut up. Through one at each end, one in the middle. We got the hole cut out for the stairwell. Those are currently my stairs. into the downstairs study area. More noggins all the way through there. There are no doubles in there. As you can see, I've put a timber in the web here, bolted that in as well. We're looking pretty good. I have moved some of these blocks that are here up there. That is going to be for the next video. Yeah, the building inspector came. He said he's happy with everything. The whole first floor joist is finished. Yeah, next video will be getting the block work up, and I'll probably show you how to do running in. I did want to do a video specifically on running in brickwork, but that'll have to come a little bit later. I'll leave you guys here. Any questions you got, pop them down in the comments. If there's anything you want to say, then yeah, let's get that conversation going down there. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, so I can see. Yeah, subscribe if you're not already. First time you've seen a video, we've done a lot, so go back a few videos and catch up with us all. And yeah, hopefully guys see you in the next video. So have a good one. Take care.